Hello everyone, how's it going? I hope you all are doing good. Today I will show you how to use command prompt to format any USB drive. Run command prompt as administrator. And as soon as it opens, you can see we are in system 32 and we have to go to disk part. For that, type disk part and press enter. We are in disk part now. Then type list disk. This will show you the total number of drives on your PC. So I have 2 drives on my PC. Disk 0 is my internal hard drive and disk 1 is my USB drive which I want to format. To make sure I'm selecting the right drive, I will type list volume and it will show me the total volumes on my PC. Volume 7 here is the removable drive and I will select this. Select volume 7. Volume 7 is the selected volume now. I will show you that our disk 1 has been selected. I will type the command again. See, disk 1 has the mark, which means it is selected. Earlier it did not have any mark, now it has. That means disk 1 has been selected. Now type clean and press enter. This will permanently erase everything on this drive, so make sure you are selecting the right one. Now that we have deleted everything on the drive, we have to create a partition. For that, type create partition primary. Press enter. This will create a raw partition on this drive. As it is raw, it is unusable. We have to make it usable. For that, we have to format it first. For that, type the command format fs is equal to FAT32 quick. Press enter. This will do a quick format using FAT32 file system. You can also omit quick, but that will take longer to format it. You can also format using NTFS file system by giving the following command. You can use either NTFS or FAT32 file system, it completely depends on you. However, NTFS file system is new, it's more modern. You can use it for Windows system drive, internal drives or external hard drives. It does not have any file size limit or any partition size limit, so it's good for large files. However, it's not compatible with old operating systems. Whereas FAT32 is compatible with many devices, many old operating systems as well, because FAT32 is an older file system. It's not as efficient as NTFS, but it gives you compatibility. And there is one more thing with FAT32, that is an issue with it. You cannot store a single file larger than 4 GB. You may come across an error which states file is too large for destination file system. When you try to store a single file, keep in mind a single file which is larger than 4 GB. That cannot be stored in FAT32 file system. But you can easily store the files which are smaller than 4 GB. It's recommended that you use FAT32 file system for your flash drives as it's compatible with many devices. I will make a separate video where I will list the pros and cons of both NTFS and FAT32. So the disk part successfully formatted the volume. Now we will assign a drive letter to our USB drive. Type assign and hit enter. It will automatically assign a drive letter to our USB drive, but if you want to assign a drive letter manually, type assign space letter is equal to any letter of your choice. Press enter. I use letter P here, so the drive letter has been successfully assigned. Now I will show you that the letter has been assigned. I will list volume 7, the letter is P, file system is NTFS. Now I will exit disk part, exit command prompt. I will show you in file explorer. See the drive letter P, our USB has been formatted successfully. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video and learned something from it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.